Eye gymnastics are starting. That is technique number 3 onwards. But before that, go down to the description, click on the link 1 and 2 and watch them before you start number 3. Number 3, round the clock exercise. This exercise will require some imagination and with some muscle work. To begin with, sit down, close your eyes and remember no peeking. Imagine there is a large clock right in front of you. Now find the numbers 12 and 6 on it. Keep your eyes closed and rotate them clockwise from 12 to 6 and do this 5 times. Imagine the clock and locate these numbers. Once again, good job. Do it 2 more times. This exercise can help fix blurry vision problems. Got it? Now let's do the same in the opposite direction. Move your eyes counterclockwise. Once again, good job. Remember, your eyes should be still closed. You are giving your eyes a good workout. To spice it up, you can try from going imaginary 3 to 9 as well. And then 9 to 3. Have fun.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number 1 in studies and number 1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us and inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.